Guess you're leaving the venters here, Ben.
Nah, I dig it after dinner.
Blow, baby, blow! Hey, that was a good one. Fuck. It's good you guys got back, eh?
Did you get it?
Yeah, I did actually.
It's not bad if you want to be sitting in at this point, is it?
No, I don't think so. So then, whereabouts are the fires? Are they Gippsland, isn't it? So how's your flight today, Caleb? Alright?
Yeah, nice. I went out north with the boys. I got to about Oakland, it's about 120 clicks out.
Yeah.
So I decided that was probably enough because it's only past 1 miles.
Yeah.
There's a lot of shadow around.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, well, that was a good one.
yeah, I did about 310 in the end, so I was happy enough with that.
Yeah.
And everyone have been back like
Yeah.
I was one of the last back from the bunch, and then followed by you guys. Yeah.
So where's that squall line going?
Oh, so there's a microburst just dissipating.
Yeah. Well, I was lucky we got back in the hangar.
What goes up must come down. Wait till it starts. Get away, whatever you like tonight, Benalla, the authorities are busy.
Yeah.
You're right, there'll be spotties up there.
Actually, yeah, with the lightning, it'll be sparking off. And yeah, that's right. That's where that chopper went.
There'll be spotty for all of them. Yeah, he'll be spotty. Maybe from south.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's best, eh?
Boom, being sucked up. It's big.
Well, Ben, I think we made the most of this favourable trough that we were talking about on Friday.
Yeah, I hope you did. It's good.
The video.